Hello everyone, welcome to this very interesting session where I am going to discuss that can your GATE score get into foreign universities. We know that GATE score is having many different opportunities in terms of IIT that leads to a good placement, research that may have a very brilliant career. It may lead to PSU, and another thing that we are going to explore today, that can a GATE score get you into the foreign universities. Okay, so now here in this session we are going to explore all the universities that recognizes the GATE score, and based on the GATE score you can take admission into the PhD program or MS program. So very interesting session, and those who are inspired to go to the foreign land, earn money in dollar, this session is for you. So without any further delay, let's go to the session where I'm going to present here different universities through which you can take the admission using your GATE score. So GATE is most well known for the examination, postgraduate engineering admission examination in India. Apart from securing admission in master engineering or master in technology, it also allows you to utilize this GATE score for foreign universities for the admissions. Okay, so yes, the first question is it valid, is it true? Answer is yes, it is valid and it is true. Using the GATE score you can take admission into the foreign universities. Okay, now which institute where you can take the admission? So here in this case is Singapore, Germany. Universities are there in Singapore and Germany that accept the GATE result for admission to their PG engineering program, while university all over the world have their own selection criteria. Okay, so they are having their own selection criteria, but some universities recognizes, which are based in Singapore and Germany, the GATE score through GATE score they recognizes. So what are the names of the universities which you can use the GATE score for? So NUS, National University of Singapore, definitely Singapore, and then Nanyang Technological University, NTU Singapore, Technical University of Munich, Germany, RWTH, Aachen, I hope I am pronouncing it correct, that is also in Germany, University of Melbourne and University of Toronto, that is in Australia and Canada, University of California and Berkeley, and University of Oxford, which is in UK. Okay, so these are the universities that are accepting the GATE scores. Talking about the first university, that is National University of Singapore. Singapore is also not very far from India, and I think they are having a very good population of Indian population over there. Is Asia's top research university and the oldest higher education institute in Singapore. The NUS Faculty of Engineering was ranked 6th in the academic ranking in the World Universities of Engineering, Technology and Computer Science. Okay, so top universities, and as per the ranking here, NUS Faculty of Engineering ranked 6th in the academic ranking of the world of university. So this is one of the very great opportunity that you are having in NUS, National University of Singapore. Second university is also that is National University of Singapore, that is NUS. So here National University of the Singapore, that is the same university. What is the program that is been offered here? So that is MS and 1 to 3 year, and PhD 2 to 5 years. Now the deadline of the semester is 1st August. Intake is usually 15 November of the preceding year. The deadline for the semester 2 January intake is June 30 of the preceding year. All year around applications are accepted. Late application will taken into the consideration for the next relevant. Okay, now this is the idea. Application fees, $50 non-refundable application fees, including the whatever the taxation system over there, it's written GST. Okay, and academic qualification, each university, the candidate has attended must provide an official transcript of their academic records with the degree certificate. You need a certificate for that. The transcript must be obtained by the application directly from the pertinent universities. Students registrations for the August intake who will graduate from the college in July. December graduate and graduating undergraduate apply for the January intake. Okay, so if you're graduating in July, then you can apply for the August, and if you're graduating in, let's say, December, then January. Okay, so these are the academic qualification you required, and definitely degree is must over here. So that is about the first thing, that is NUS. Then NTU, the Nanyang Technical Technological University, the second oldest public independent research institute in Singapore is NTU. It features 6 technological and innovation focused schools including civil, environmental, electrical, electronics, material and mechanical, and aerospace, and computer science, engineering, and chemical and biomedical. Okay, so inspiring students who are having from different branches: civil, environmental, electrical, electronics, material science, mechanical, aerospace, and computer science, and engineering, and chemical and biomedical. Okay, these are the courses been offered over here. 2 programs are there: MS, that is 1 to 3 years, PhD 2 to 5 years. Get a cutoff is 90%. Candidates must have a bachelor degree with minimum cumulative GPA of 2.25. Okay, honors distinction and be able to conduct independent research in their chosen subject for advanced study. Streams, I already told you that there is a chemical and biomedical engineering, civil and environmental, school of computer engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, material science and engineering, and mechanical and aerospace engineering. So these are the stream that has been program has been offered here in this case. Moving on to the from Singapore, let's go to the Germany, and the Technical University of Munich. The Technical Institute of Munich is a public research institute with a focus on applied and natural science, engineering, and technology. One of the universities in the Europe that places the highest emphasis on the research is the University of Munich. So if you are again interested, most of the time people go here for MS and research. Okay, that is the major criteria. Then this university offers 2 programs: MS 1 to 3 year, PhD 2 to 5. Gate cutoff is 90 percentile, and there are different gate result is accepted for the various programs, and the program is faculty of mechanical, civil, faculty of electrical engineering, and information technology. So these are the stream that has been you can look for if you are planning to go to Munich, Germany. RWTH academic, RWTH 𝐂𝐤𝐻 University is I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it correct. Public Research Institute, the largest technical university in Germany, enrolling over 45,000 and over 144 academic programs. Okay, so you can see here that RWTH University again in Germany, and it is having most number of students, 45,000 and 144 academic programs. Okay, so I think that is what the whole idea is. One thing that is I can understand the missing is the placement, but I think that information is also present. At the present time, yes, I can understand that the whole scenario, the global economy is slowing down, jobs are not there. Okay, and this scenario is not in our hand. Okay, but still peoples are not living hope to study, and it is going on. Okay, so let us hope that this situation improves further, and then people can go and join this the programs. Now MS is 1 to 3 years and PhD 2 to 5 years. Gate cutoff is 95%, and there's various program offered mentioned in the in faculty at RWTH, except the gate score for applied geophysics, automotive engineering, biomedical engineering, electrical engineering and information technology, and computer science and engineering, media information, metallurgical physics and software, system engineering. These are the different streams where the program is being offered. Eligibility criteria here in this is own eligibility criteria, GATE score required, and academic performance and other criteria, English proficiency. Okay, GATE score, make sure that your GATE score is valid and meets the minimum cutoff criteria for the university. Other requirement beside the GATE score, you may still need to submit an English language proficiency test score and letter of recommendation LOR and statement of purpose. These are the things that we are not familiar with. Letter of recommendation, generally the recommendation comes from the institute where you are graduating. You may know someone who is having a good academic record, and if he or she can recommend you, so that can be one of the thing. And another thing that it may required is the statement of purpose, that why you are suitable for this course. And this is very important statement of purpose, that why you want to join and why you want to pursue the career that is been said to you, said by you. Okay, so that is something that you need over here. Choose a program, select admission process to select a relevant master or PhD program at the university, submit the application, upload the required document and pay the application fees required by the universities. MSc and MTech and PhD programs. This is the various foreign universities. Mostly they offer Master of Science, Master of Technology. Basically they say MS, Master of Science, MS program basically they offer, and specialized fees, and the PhD program in respective technology and applied science. Now there is also the requirement considerations are there. Scholarship, if you are having a very performance is good in terms of your GATE score, then definitely you can have this you can perform very well over here. But if your visa process, scholarship, you may apply for a scholarship. Visa process, once accepted, then you have to apply for the visa, and that is also one of the requirement that is need to be fulfilled. Other factors, cost of living. Yes, if you are living there, then you have to bear the cost, and that is something that has to be bear by you, and that is some financial aspect you need to see. And post study work opportunities, understand that after taking the degree, you have to must be able to gain or find a job which is suitable and which is match, means the whole idea is about getting a job only, and that should be fulfilled. Okay, so that is something that we need to look for. That is other factor into the consideration. Now, factor affecting the salary and job position is country. That definitely that which country that you are going, different salaries differs from the different countries. Singapore, Germany and other Europe offer the competitive salaries compared to India. Yes, that should be there, that if you are going abroad, then definitely that the salary factor comes into the picture. Industry, which industry you are talking about? Computer science, electronics, mechanical, biomedical. Most of the courses are related with biomedical. Experience level, fresher, so generally the entry level position will get, and the skill set that will also develop the basically over the period of the time. So still entry level and skill set, but you have to work on the skill set. Okay, now technological, definitely there is a huge opportunities are there. We are all aware that technical these all big giants companies are hiring a good graduate, or most of the time the brilliant minds are there. So most graduate, especially in the computer science, electronic, join the multinational company like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook. This company offer a higher salary. Manufacturer, you have BMW and Volkswagen and Audi. So companies like mechanical engineering, the Siemens and Bosch, and the construction industries are actively hire the engineers. So it's not that the job opportunities are not there. Only thing is that the job opportunities are still available, and still the brilliant people are getting hired. Research is another thing that that has been ignored most of the time, but it is one of the area where also you can settle in foreign soil very comfortably. And research is one of the key thing that the graduates can opt for the R&D position in both the private and the public institution, especially country like Singapore. You can go for research. There are many startups are there, so that is also one of the opportunities. So many opportunities are there in that in every different sectors. Research is there, then technological is there, the manufacturing industry is there. Startups cultures are also very good in foreign universities. So that is the entire thing about this opportunities that what we can what generally what we can have here in this. The only one point that I want to say here is that it is possible, and most of us have a dream of settling into the foreign soil or settle into the foreign, but there are many other factors are there. Okay, though it's not going to be now, it is not going to be very easy. Let's say before 10 to 15 years back, it was not that difficult, and peoples are usually going for the settling abroad was not a very difficult task. But now suddenly though the students enrolling for the foreign degrees are increasing. This is for the GATE score. There are other means also where there are very good number of private universities are there, like private colleges here in India. Similarly, the private college also available in foreign for in abroad also, and the peoples are having money. They can without GATE score or whatever the eligibility criteria, they are taking admission over there. So jobs are the major thing. So before you take admission into any foreign university, think about, first thing is that the cost of the living, which is very important, because as per my estimation, it will go beyond 1 CR. Even if you are completing the degree, it is not very it's not cheap over there, and the infrastructure, the cost of living is very high. So probably it will cost you around 1 CR. So that is one thing. Second thing, when you graduated from here, you should be able to get the job, and not a I'm not saying that you should not get a very low profile job. You should get a good job, so that it will be worth pursuing the MTech from that particular university. So that there are many things into the consideration. Do not take any decision in haste. Take your time, think, and follow the selection criteria. Like there are these things we are not aware of, the letter of recommendation, the statement of purpose, we are not very much sure about, and we are not aware of it. So you need some expert guidance in this case, and so that if you're really willing to go abroad and take your settle over there, or you take a job over there, and over the period of the time you want to settle over there, it can come true. Okay, so that is all from my side, and I hope that this all information that I have given to you is useful, and you will be able to utilize them. Thank you very much. I will see you with this kind of type of useful session in future. Thank you, all of you.